Hello, in this video we will let you know how multi-user feature works in Giddh. Imagine you own a company called Giddh Enterprises, and today your salesperson made some sales, and they want to make entries for it. In this situation, Giddh multi-user permission feature comes in hand. With this feature, you can easily add, remove, and manage access for multiple users within your company. You can access the multi-user feature through permission module in Giddh. Simply click on the settings icon at the top right and select Manage Users module. Alternatively, you can directly search for permission using the universal search option in Giddh. For Windows, use Ctrl+G, and for Mac, press Command+G. Navigate to the permission module page. Here you have to provide the email ID of the user to whom you want to share the permission of the company. In the select role, some predefined permission roles are present which Giddh provides like View, Admin, and Super Admin. In Super Admin permission, the person with whom you've shared the company can fully access your company and is also able to share it with others. With admin permission, the individual with whom you've shared the company can have full access, but he cannot further share the company. Full access here means to work thoroughly within the company, access every page, and make changes anywhere, anytime. However, in admin permission, they do not have the capability to see that to whom the company is also shared and can't share the company further. In view permission, the person can only view all the data of the company but cannot make any edits or changes. Next we have the date range option which has two further options, date range and past period. Date range means you can select a date in which the person with whom you shared the company will be able to access the company with a given role and later the permission will expire. Past period. In this option, users can select a specific number of past days when sharing the company. Let's check how it works. For instance, if the company is shared on 15th December and the past period is set for 10 days, the user will have access to company data for the preceding 10 days. Starting from the date of sharing, that is December 15th. As time progresses, the permission module advances accordingly, maintaining access for the specified number of days. Next we have CIDR range and IP address. By configuring the CIDR range and specifying an IP address, you can establish access limits. This allows you to restrict access to a specific IP address or a range of addresses. In Giddh, you can also create custom roles for specific permissions you wish to assign. To create a custom role, click on the Custom Role button and then Add Role Name. For example, we are providing a role for the salesperson to create invoice only. So naming it Create Invoice. In the role type, you can choose whether this role starts afresh or is a copy from another role. Let's assume it's a fresh start. Below that, we need to select the module which will be needed to create the invoice. Hence, we will add modules like Invoice, Ledger, Inventory. If business manages inventory, settings and manage. It is compulsory to provide the permission of settings and manage as it includes permission which user will need while creating the invoice like applying tax or discount. Click on Next. Even within the selected modules, you can specify the actions for your invoice permission which the user can perform, such as create, comment, delete, edit or view, etc. Or you can select all. Click on Save button at the top right, and your custom role is created. Now, to share the role with your salesperson, simply follow the steps we discussed. Click on Back button. Enter the email address of your salesperson. Select the role. Set the date range and CIDR range if necessary, and click on Add button. A mail will be sent to your salespersons with a link. Users can directly click on that link and access the company. You can edit or revoke the permission whenever necessary. You can also give permission to as many users as you wish on multiple roles. This special feature makes Giddh ahead of the competition. I hope this video provides you with valuable information. Thanks for watching.